Hi, good morning. This is day 4 of our ride, 8th of June. So we are now at Ducati factory in Thailand, in Rayong. So we had planned a visit today at the factory site of Ducati Thailand. Waiting for the contact person join us later on as we walk around to have a factory tour in Ducati Thailand. So you can see the workers in the factory are heading in to work, and we've just arrived a little too early, so the factory is not open yet.
No, first time. It's our first time at the factory.
Okay, so in general, it has 3 factories with 2 factories that is like the main ones. So the first one is at Bologna, Italy, that's the main headquarters. And our plant is basically the second one. Yes.
Second biggest or?
Sorry?
Is it biggest among the 3?
I would say Italy.
Italy is the biggest.
But
Yeah.
Thailand, Ducati Thailand does Asia Pacific.
Okay.
Yeah, APEC.
We also supply the engine back to Italy for some models too. If it's like more further details, there will be someone to answer you. Because I'm working in marketing, most of my work is really related to the event and stuff. But I know some information about the factory, that's fine. And the third one is in Brazil, but that's one fully assembled,
Yes.
not producing.
But even still in Thailand, not all models are built here. Only the Hypermotard, Monster, Hypermotard Monster, and one more, the Multi, right?
So any special version we can do like for example the V4R is not here.
Okay,
Like the standard one, yes.
so the base model are all here.
Exactly. And mostly like not mostly but half cameras.
Ah, I see. The cameras, Thailand has a lot of cameras.
Will there be any place to get this?
Can we go there?
This is what you're looking for.
Okay, just video here.
I can take you to the car today and you will
Hi, I'm Reza.
so from Plaza, like after that door we cannot fit
Okay, so can I leave my car somewhere? This is Bira circuit in Rayong, mostly used for the Formula Drift cars. Okay, now BMW Motorrad in Pattaya. So Jim is sending his bike for servicing. So we are here just to hang around for a while. While waiting, we'll go somewhere else and have lunch. So of course we have to see whether the service will take a few hours or he might have to leave the bike for a few days. So in the meantime, let's check out BMW Pattaya.
ารภาพตามโต๊ะตามตรงองค์หลงมงลงแล้วว่าแม่นางสาวไทยถ้าได้แต่งงานฝันอยากจะมีลูกชายคงหล่อเลยล่ะเพราะว่าลูกชายได้แม่มันมา I just wanna เป็นแฟนอยู่ได้บอก
You got a taxi?
No, not yet.
No,
Can I
sir.
call for you? Sure, can. So, Master Jim, what are you doing, Master Jim?
Servicing my 40,000 km servicing.
Yes, we are BMW Motorrad Pattaya.
Hiya.
Master Jim sending this. So here we are at Pattaya Floating Market. Purchasing our tickets. Master Jim is getting our tickets now. So ticket costs about 200 per person. You can also rent a boat. So behind me there is the ticket cost and the entrance fee. Yeah, Master Jim. Hello. Let's go. Alright, walking back. Yeah. So this will be the hall where they will entertain people, where performers would normally sit, and where guests will be seated around this courtyard here, and they will be entertained. Okay.
ไม่ได้คุณนักแต่งกิจไงออก
How much, huh?
ดีกว่า ดีกว่า
ใจก็คบกันไปเพราะฉันเป็นคนไม่สนอะไรไม่เคยคิดกวนใจใครสบายสบายหากเราจะคบกันไปฉันขอเพียงความรักและจริงใจไม่เคยต้องการอะไรสบายสบายแล้วเธอก็คงเข้าใจเรื่องนั้นจะอยู่เรียนรู้กันไปจะทุกข์จะสุขเพียงไหนสบายสบายแม้วันใดที่ใจเธอเปลี่ยน
Yes, we are now at Honda Big Wing. So this is Honda Big Wing in Pattaya. So we are here because Alex wanted to take a look at the accessories. He intends to put on a set of panniers for his bike, and it should be much cheaper here in Thailand. So let's have a look around.
หากเธอจะทิ้งกันไป
Okay, jackets, helmets, panniers. Raincoat. Oh, son, Jim, this will be nice for you, Jim. Honda Big Wing Pattaya. JC.
ว่าเธอต้องไปก็คงเสียใจและคงเสียดายแต่ก็ยังสบายหากเธอจะทิ้งกันไปเพราะฉันเป็นคนไม่ฝืนใจใครก็คงเลิกรากันไปแบบสบาย
Hi, good morning everyone. We are on day 5 and this will be our last day in Pattaya. So we shall be making use of the day to go around the city itself, visiting a few of the places, and then maybe spend a late afternoon chilling out at the mall for some aircon. The heat is very hot here, yeah, and actually you can feel the sun scorching on your skin, yeah, so it's very dry and very hot. So here we are at Pattaya Beach, Pattaya Bay itself. So as you can see behind me, there are many boats, pleasure craft, which are meant to take tourists out, but lately there's not much tourists here, so of course you see most of the boats being docked in the bay itself. Right, so here we have Jim, yeah, and behind us, good morning, yeah. And behind us we have the Pattaya City signage itself on the hill, yeah, so do join us for day 5 in Pattaya.
Bye. See you soon.
คือเธอเทตอนห้องสึกดีแต่เพิ่นไปบ่ได้ลาจากยาเริ่มมีหวังแต่ก็ต้องหมดหวังนั่งซื่อๆก็รู้สึกเจ็บที่บ่เคยจำ
So there's Pattaya City in the background, the central Pattaya City. So we are here actually at the park by the beach.
เก็บเอามาปลื้มอ่านไปยิ้มไปขอบใจนะที่เฮ็ดให้เฮานั้นให้โดยที่โตบ่ได้คิดหยัง
Alright, here we are in Pattaya at the 3 million years stone park. The park is integrated together with a crocodile farm as well as a mini zoo. So the entrance fee for this is about 500 baht, about 20 Sing dollars. So we shall see if it's worth paying 500 baht to enter, because the one that I wanted to visit was the stone park. I'm not really interested in the the zoo or the crocodile farm. Yeah, so let's check if I can just get an entrance for the stone park on its own. Yes, so now let's look for Master Jim. Where's Master Jim? Oh, Master Jim is there. Master Jim.
กันแค่คนทั่วไปคุยจบกันลบทิ้งเขาบ่ได้เสียดายเขาก็เก็บเอามาปลื้มอ่านไปยิ้มไปขอบใจนะที่เฮ็ดให้เขานั่งให้โดยที่โตบ่ได้คิดหยังขอบใจนะที่มาเฮ็ดให้เพ้อคิดว่าเขาเป็นคนสำคัญแต่ความจริงมันก็พอสำนันเฮาก็แค่คนทั่วไปคุยจบก็ลบทิ้งเขาบ่ได้เสียดายเฮาก็เก็บเอามาปลื้มอ่านไปยิ้มไปขอบใจนะที่เฮ็ดให้เฮานั่งให้โดยที่โตบ่ได้คิดหยังจังใดก็ขอบใจนะ ขอบใจโตอีหลี
ปานนี้ให้เคอรี่มาส่งได้บ่สั่งซื้อใส่น้องยี่ห้ออีหยัง
Food festival. Ooh, that's coconut ice cream. Coconut ice cream. Okay, I'm going to get it now. Let's go and get our coconut ice cream. Yes. So this is Central Festival in Pattaya.
ได้มาเห็นผู้บ่าวรูปหล่อคือคักแท้น้อติดต่อให้แน่
Here we are at Pattaya Beach itself. It's almost sunset.
กลางใจสิเฮ็ดจังใดห้ามไว้ก็บ่อยู่
And this is just outside Central Festival.
ให้เคอรี่มาส่งได้บ่สั่งซื้อใส่น้องยี่ห้ออีหยัง
So it is the main beach
เป็นตาสั่ง
in Pattaya.
ผู้สาวหลายหนูกำบ่วันมาแลกเฟซไล่กันสิเฝ้าทำคะแนนอยากมีแฟนคือไอ้บ่แบบบ่อายคนนี้หนูมักเพิ่นที่รักได้บ่ใจมันเต้นบ่เป็นจังหวะย้ำสบตากับไอ้คนหล่อคนนี้หนูขอคนนี้หนูมัก
Walking past the beach, by the beachside, back to our hotel after a day of shopping, relaxing in the mall, enjoying the aircon, a short respite from the hot sun. Yeah, so we are heading back to the hotel, maybe for a dip in the pool. Just passing by Hooters. So Pattaya is generally quite quiet on the beach front.